Alright, everybody, welcome back to Farm Boys Garage. As you can see, we've got the old 85 Chevy C30 in the shop. I've been working on lights. Got my tag light working, got the backup lights working, which they wasn't nothing but a burnt bulb. Got all the side lights, they were already working. Then I got this corner over here. As you can tell, it's very bright, which I've got an LED bulb in it, but it's faded. It should be yellow. It should be like this one. I've got an LED bulb in this one. Alright, so got on eBay. These are very expensive. They're not like the side markers, but I found some LEDs. You can get just get the bulb, but this has got the LED in it, and as you can see, that bulb, it flickers. This, here's what it says. I know it's hard to read. 1973 to 1980 truck LED cider marker lens amber. I don't know if these were actually for the side marker lights on those 73 to 80s or what, but let's swap this out. You can see that's an LED. It's pretty bright, but they ain't the best. These are the little kind that you can put these in your instrument cluster too, but I don't know if you really want to. So as you can see, this thing's just got a plug. It don't come out very far, and the new one has got the same kind of plug. It also has a thing here that goes in the back of the light. So I'm gonna get these in, and I'll bring it right back. I don't know how that's going to show up on this camera. It's so dark in here. But as you can see, it's pretty bright. It's got 6 rows of 3 LEDs. The only thing, and it fits the hole, but the only thing I don't like about it is it's a little bit proud. Stands up. See, this thing here, it fit pretty flush. I'll show you on the back one. Well, I'll take that back. It ain't great. It ain't real flush. I also got the red ones, so I'm going to change these out as well. I got to find the right screws for this one. Somebody's done put in the wrong screws. But, yeah, overall, I do like the looks. I don't know if it would be any better like this versus just buying a new yellow lens or red lens or all 4 of them and putting a bulb like this in it. Be a lot cheaper, probably about $20 cheaper. I give almost $100 for these sets of 4. It's 2 yellow and 2 red. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to go check them out on eBay, the seller and everything. But of course the truck's dirty. It needs a paint job, but it still looks a little better. And amazingly, all my roof lights still work. Them's the originals. I do want to replace them with LEDs, but they ain't broke either. They're getting a little bit cracked looking. I went ahead and replaced this one because it was faded. So I went ahead and bought 2 side marker lights. These are real cheap, these side markers. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, Hanton.